Welcome students. Today we will learn how to convert a fraction into a decimal. So just pay attention on the board. So while converting a fraction into a decimal, the first case we come across will be when the denominator of a fraction is a power of 10, right? If you see these examples, example number 1, 17 by 10, we write it as a mixed fraction 1 plus 7 by 10, which is written as 1 plus 0.7, that is 1.7. See the next example, 239 by 100. We write it as a mixed fraction 239 by 100, that is 2 plus 0.39, that is 2 plus 39. See the next one, 2103 by 100. If we write it as a mixed fraction, we get 21 3 by 100 is equal to 21 plus 0.03 is equal to 21.03, right? See the next one, 3001 divided by 1000, which we write as 3 1 by 1000, that is 3 plus 0.001 is equal to 3.001. Simple, right? Another method which we generally apply, which we generally use, is the method of division, right? What we have to do here is we divide the numerator by the denominator till a non-zero remainder is obtained. Then we put a decimal point in the dividend as well as in the quotient. Then we put a 0 on the right of the decimal point in the dividend as well as on the right of the remainder. Then we divide again just as we do in the whole numbers, and we'll keep on repeating this process till we get the final remainder as 0. You see the following examples and you will be able to understand it very clearly, right? See the first example, 29 by 4. So 29 is the dividend here and 4 is the divisor. So we do the normal division and we get 4 sevens are 28, the remainder is 1, right? Now we put a decimal in the quotient as well as in the dividend, and then we put a 0 after the decimal. So we carry on this 0 down. Then we get 4 twos are 8 and so on. We carry on with the division to finally get a remainder 0. So we get the quotient as 7.25. So 29 by 4 is equal to 7.25. I hope you got it. You can revise it again, right? See the next question, 4 7 by 8. So we write 4 7 by 8 as a improper fraction and we get 39 by 8. So 39 is the dividend, 8 is the divisor. We do the normal division now. 8 fours are 32, we get the remainder as 7. Now we put a decimal in the dividend and in the quotient, and then we add a 0 in the dividend and we carry this 0 down, right? So we get 70. So 8 8s are 64. Then we get 6 as the remainder. We again carry a 0 down, and 8 7s are 56. We get 4. We again carry a 0 down, and we get 8 5s are 40. The final remainder is 0. So the final quotient now 4.875 is the required answer. So 4 7 by 8 is equal to 4.875, right? See the last example, 15 17 by 40. So when we convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, we get 15 fours are 60. That is 600 plus 17 is equal to 617 by 40. Now 617 is the dividend and we divide it with the divisor 40. So proceeding the same way, we carry on with the division till we get the final remainder as 0. Then the final quotient 15.425 will be the required answer. Therefore we write 15 17 by 40 is equal to 15.425. Okay. I have written on the board very clearly the divisor, the quotient, the dividend, the remainder. So we can easily say that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Fine. So class, this was the process how to convert a fraction into a decimal. I hope it's very clear. To see all the videos of 6th standard mathematics, you can go down into the description and tap on the playlist. You'll get all the videos, right? All your doubts will be clear. So thank you class, goodbye, love you all, keep studying, keep revising, keep playing, keep enjoying music, happy life, thank you.